Thank you. Now, what do you say when you are surprised? When you explain, what do you say? Louder? I remember when I first working at McDonnell Douglas, I learned a new expression, new exclamation, a lot better than the others. I heard my co-worker say, "Shoot!" Today, I'd like to introduce to you a new expression. The Honorable Missouri State Senator, Schupp. That means from now on, when you are excited, you don't say shoot, you say Schupp. I'm very glad to introduce the person who represents this particular territory where we are right now. He is the state senator, and she represents this particular spot. And one more particular thing is, to go along with our spirit of our heritage ceremony here, she brings a young man. That's the guy we had dinner with. That's future, right? So I'd like to introduce also the young man called Jimmy Loomis. And in my opinion, he is also racing too.
Good afternoon. It is such a pleasure to be here. I'm going to pause for just a moment. I've had my picture taken several times today. I think it's time for you to get your picture taken. So would you all look up here and smile? Now we've all had our pictures taken today. Ni hao. Shia Shia. Today, here with me is Jimmy Loomis, as you just heard. Jimmy is Missouri's youngest elected official. He is a committeeman from the city of Clayton. But that's not why I asked Jimmy to join me on stage today. I asked him to join me because not only does he do that, and not only does he serve as the youth outreach coordinator for Hillary for Missouri, but he is a Washington University student studying political science, but more appropriate for this group, he is studying Mandarin Chinese. So Jimmy is going to say a few words when I'm done. But I just wanted to thank you. Every year when I come back, I see more people that I had met the year before, and it's truly an honor to be here with you at the St. Louis Taiwanese American Heritage Celebration. You know, when we get together and honor each other's traditions and cultures, we are reminded not only about the uniqueness that we each bring, but also the fact that there is always reason to get together and to celebrate. In those celebrations, what I always find, and I think all of us do, is this love of our traditions, our family, and always our food. So it is great to be here united together. I want to recognize the sponsors, the St. Louis Taiwanese Association of America and the St. Louis North American Taiwanese Women Association. This is the continuation of a wonderful relationship between the Taiwanese American community and the greater community here in St. Louis. I want to congratulate you, Gong Tse, and again, thank you while I introduce Jimmy Loomis, who will speak to us in Mandarin Chinese. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Schupp, for that gracious introduction. I'll keep my remarks short. 谢谢请我们来台湾人传统亲的美食界，我们来为了走进两国之间的了解。Thank you for inviting us to the Taiwanese Cultural Food Festival. We're here today to increase a mutual respect and understanding between our two nations in the St. Louis community and our countries as a whole. Thank you very much.
And finally, I want to just leave this token of the wonderful celebration this week and today in particular, a resolution from Missouri's Senate that I hope that you will enjoy having and hanging wherever you believe it's appropriate. Thank you so much.
This is the moment that I feel like saying, Schupp!